Hello, it's Natasha. I am going to play with Big Blue Button to see how it goes. So I'm in my section in the teacher's practice area, and I'm just going to add Big Blue Button any way I would add, the same way I would add any other activity. It is an activity. And then let's see what it can offer us. Well, it will give us a room. So I will call it playing with Big Blue Button. I will not set any notifications. I mean, I will be the only person there. Welcome message. Well, welcome. Let's pretend that there are other participants, so I just wish them welcome. I will not wait for the moderator, because, you know, I'm the moderator here. Session can be recorded, the recording settings, etc., etc. Participants. Well, I will not add any participants at the moment. I will not touch the schedule. I will just save and return to course. And I should have clicked save and display, but whatever. Now, when I click on playing with Big Blue Button, let's see what happens. I think it will say join session, so I will just join. And then wait as it loads. In the meantime, it will give me something smart to read, which is nice. And I am in. So I will enable my microphone. Hello. Oh, I can hear myself loud. I am currently the only person in this conference. I know that. It's nice that it has already given me a presentation. I will not disable audio, but I will enable my webcam. I absolutely hate my webcam. It's the one I have in my computer, and it makes my face huge. But that's all we've got right now. And here is my webcam. Luckily, it's a relatively small icon, so I don't look too huge. I could enlarge it, but I don't like the way it looks. I can enlarge or minimize any of the sections here. So these are the current users. I'm the only user here. This is me. You can hear me. I hope there isn't too much echo. I can chat with you, or I can chat with myself rather, because I'm the only participant here. And it says hello. I have options. I can chat with somebody privately, but there's nobody to chat to right now. And one thing I noticed, if you want to present in Big Blue, your presentation has to be the PDF format. That was a bit of a disappointment for me, because I thought I would be able to present from a PowerPoint, and I had a PowerPoint ready, but bad luck. Right now the presentation is fitted to page. I can zoom in if I want. here it tells you to tells you a couple of things about Big Blue. Now it has taken me to a YouTube tutorial, which I am going to look at once I'm alone here. So if I want, this is too big now, and you can only see one section of the screen, but if I click Fit Presentation to Width, it will look just right. So this is the Big Blue default presentation. I don't see anything in slide 2. There's one thing I forgot to do, and that's start the recording. I will do it now, and then I will record myself, and let's see what happens. So I can simply say, yes. Hello, my name is Natasha, and here I am all by myself playing with Big Blue button. And I think Big Blue is great for even just if you don't have other participants. It's good if you want to give a presentation and you want people to see your face, and not just be a faceless teacher presenting. So that's all for now. I will stop the recording now. I will stop both recordings. I will first stop the Big Blue recording, and then I will stop this Screencast-O-Matic recording, and then I will upload it to YouTube. And personally, I might stay in Big Blue for a couple of seconds longer to see what this presentation is all about. I suggest you do the same on your own. So that's all for now. Bye.